Have you ever found yourself thinking if the woman you like is thinking about you just as much as you're thinking about her? It's a question that can stay in your mind, especially when you're trying to understand whether the feelings you have for her are shared. You want to know if she feels the same spark, the same attraction, and the same emotional connection. But how do you know for certain? Well, the good news is that there are a few key signs that can help you see into her thoughts. These signs aren't just unclear signals. They are often based in human psychology and behavior. And when you focus on them, you might just get the answers you've been searching for. In this video, we're going to look at 5 signs that a woman is thinking about you. And no, it's not just about the random smile or quick glance. These signs go deeper, and they show a lot more than you might think about her feelings and intentions. Whether you're trying to start a relationship with someone new or just wondering if your crush has you on her mind, these signs can give you useful insight into her thoughts and emotions. So, let's jump into these signs and find the hidden clues that tell you if a woman is truly thinking about you. Believe me, these signs can be game changers, and once you learn them, you'll be able to move through the world of attraction and relationships with much more confidence. Make sure to watch until the very end because the most important insight is coming up. Number 1, she messages you out of nowhere. Have you ever gotten the text message from someone totally out of the blue? Maybe just a basic hello, or possibly a question, or maybe even something more private. If so, this could be one of the most clear signs that she's thinking about you. But what exactly does it mean? When a woman contacts you without any clear reason, it's not just chance. It's a clear sign that she has been thinking about you and wants to talk, even if it's just to say hi or ask how your day is going. She could be remembering a chat you had, or maybe she saw something that made her think of you and wanted to tell you about it. Whatever the reason, that unplanned message shows that you're on her mind. It's also important to remember that these messages could change in style, and based on the situation, they can have a lot of emotional importance. Maybe she's showing fondness towards you, or maybe she's just trying to get closer by showing that she cares about the connection between you two. It could be as simple as her asking if you're available later to meet up, or something more playful like sending a sweet emoji that makes your heart jump. One thing is for sure, if she's contacting you without a reason, it's a sign that you are significant to her. So don't ignore this. If you feel the same way about her, answering her message with a considerate reply can make the connection stronger and open the way for even more meaningful talks. But what if you don't know how to answer? Well, the best thing to do is to be yourself. Tell your thoughts or ask her about her day. Pay attention to how you talk and show her that you are thankful for her contacting you. The key here is to reply to her attention with kindness, care, and curiosity. Number 2, you've noticed her looking at you many times. It's occurred to everyone. You see her looking at you when she believes you're not watching, and when you make eye contact, there's a second of connection, maybe even a short smile. Now, you might think it's just accident, but if this occurs more than once, there's a more important reason behind it. This could be one of the most clear signs that she's thinking about you. And more than that, she's interested in you. Why do people look at someone they like or are in love with? The answer is easy. They find them interesting and appealing. When a woman is attracted to someone, she can't help herself from taking quick looks at them. She wants to learn every small detail, from the way you walk, to the sound of your voice, to how you smile or how your eyes sparkle when you talk. But here's where it becomes fascinating. Sometimes those looks are more than just liking. If she's really into you, she could be checking your responses to see if you see her looking at you. Maybe she's hoping for you to make the first step, or at the very least, show some signal that you're interested too. If you smile back or meet her gaze, that's all the support she might require to move things forward. Another reason she might be looking at you is that she's simply amazed by you. She might think you're nice, amusing, or just really interesting. Those secret moments of eye contact are her way of quietly saying to you she's thinking about you. And it's your job to notice it and do something if you're interested. So next time you see her looking, don't just turn away. Recognize it, smile, and let her know that you see her notice. This easy action can build a deeper emotional connection between the two of you. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to help others discover these insights. Number 3, she recalls small details about you. Do you ever sense like someone really hears you when you speak? Like they're actually focusing on what you're saying? When a woman remembers small details about you, such as your preferred food, your goals for the week, or even a discussion you had months ago, it's a strong sign that you're on her mind more than you know. The truth that she recalls these tiny things shows that she is sincerely dedicated in learning about you. It's not just about remembering information, it's about valuing those times and bonding on a more profound emotional level. When someone is genuinely interested in you, they notice the things that are important to you. For instance, maybe you said quickly that you adore a particular kind of coffee, or that you like walking in nature on the weekends. If she brings you a cup of that coffee or invites you to go with her for a walk, it's a clear signal she is thinking about you and wants to improve your day a little. These minor actions show her care and work to show you that she values you. Why does she do this? It's because she wants to make you feel unique and valued. These details provide her a method to show that she's not just thinking about you in a shallow way, but really cares about the things that are important to you. If she remembers your previous chats and does something based on those memories, it means she's committed to your connection. Here's the point. Remembering small details isn't something that just occurs by chance. It's a deliberate action. It's her way of showing you that she's really paying attention and wants to create something significant with you. If you see that she's mentioning things you've talked about briefly or delighting you with caring actions, it's time to understand the amount of concern and notice she's giving to you. So when you observe her recalling the small things, don't just dismiss it as unimportant. Value it for what it is, a sign that she's thinking about you and cherishes the relationship you have. Answer her actions with thanks and maybe delight her with something caring back. Number 4, she comes up to you for no reason. Have you ever had a woman walk over to you for no clear cause? Maybe she just approaches you in the middle of a party, begins a casual chat, or wants to be with you for a while without any visible purpose. While this might appear like a relaxed action, it's really a very revealing sign that she's thinking about you and could have romantic feelings for you. Consider it for a moment. When someone is in love, or at least truly likes you, they look for chances to be with you. She might come up to you because she's sensing a connection and wants to become closer to you. But here's the thing. She might not always know how to say this wish in a more straightforward way. So she might approach you in a way that seems relaxed and unplanned, but inside it's her way of attempting to be with you, learn about you more, or just like your company. Whether it's sitting with you for a fast coffee, requesting your advice with something, or just starting a random chat, these behaviors could be her quiet way of telling you she's thinking about you. She might not want to appear too clear or too much, so she uses the relaxed style to see how you react. But don't think her relaxed style means she doesn't care. On the other side, if she's making an effort to approach you for no reason, it's because you are important to her. She's trying to form a link and tell you that she likes your presence. Don't be scared to respond in kind. Use the chance to talk with her, pose questions, and show real curiosity in her life. The more you interact during these unplanned times, the more probable you are to form a deeper connection with her. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with a friend.
Number 5, she makes an effort to do things for you. One of the nicest parts of love is the readiness to do more for someone you love. When a woman is in love with you, she will make an effort to do things that make your life simpler, more fun, or just improved in some way. This isn't about big actions or showy deeds. It's the small things that show she is thinking about you, even when you're not there. Consider it. Maybe she sees that you've been worried from work, so she brings you a meal she cooked to help reduce the stress. Or maybe she aids you with a job you've been putting off, just because she wants to make your day a bit lighter. These are the sorts of acts that say a lot about her feelings for you. She's demonstrating you through her acts that you are significant to her, and she's thinking about methods to show you that she cares. It's not about her waiting for anything back. She does it because she truly likes making you glad. Perhaps she's made an effort to set up a surprise for you, like organizing a fun outing or giving you something meaningful, just because she knows it would put a smile on your face. These deeds of goodness are a straight show of how much she's devoted to your relationship. She wants to show you that you're on her mind and that she's ready to put in work to keep you glad. And the best thing is, these small things can help a great deal in making your bond stronger. So if you see that she's making an effort for you, if it's something minor or something larger, it's a clear signal that she's thinking about you all the time. And this is a great chance to show thanks for all she does. When you see her attempts, recognize them, thank her, and reply to those actions. Love is about sharing and receiving, and the more you care for these deeds of goodness, the stronger your connection will be. Bonus sign. 1. She creates reasons to be close to you. You know those times when you're relaxedly doing something and suddenly she appears right beside you, appearing from nowhere? It might seem like luck at first, but if this occurs often, it could be a sign that she's thinking about you more than you know. Think about it. If she's always making excuses to be in the same space as you, or often bumping into you when she doesn't actually have to, it's a clear sign that she likes your company. This could be as easy as choosing a seat close to you during events, visiting the same coffee shop you're in, or even just appearing in spots where you usually go. Why does she do this? Because she likes you and she's without thinking trying to remain near you. Sometimes it's not about speech or clear actions. Sometimes it's the small things that tell you the most. She might be wishing to start a chat or just get the opportunity to be with you more, even if it's in a calm situation. So next time she unintentionally comes to where you are, take note. It's her way of showing her interest and ensuring she remains in your world. If you're seeing this, accept it as a sign that she's busily thinking about you and would like to create a deeper connection. Bonus sign 2. She poses you private questions. When a woman is thinking about you, mainly in a romantic way, she'll want to learn about the actual you, not just your interests and dislikes, but your beliefs, your history, your hopes, and even your worries. If she's posing you private questions, this is a major sign that she's not just curious about you on a basic level, but is sincerely devoted in discovering who you are as a human. Why does she ask these questions? It's because she's attempting to bond with you on a more profound level. She wants to comprehend what makes you work, what thrills you, and what problems you've met. This lets her build a stronger emotional link with you, and in the end, it's her way of showing that she values you not just as a human, but as a possible partner. These questions might include your young years, to your opinions on relationships, life dreams, or even how you deal with hard times. It's not about being curious. It's about building closeness and showing you that she cares about the tiny details that form who you are. So if she's posing you kind, private questions, don't ignore them. Reply truthfully and use it as a chance to make your connection deeper. So there you have it, 5 clear signs that a woman is thinking about you. If it's through a surprise message, secret looks, recalling small details, coming up to you out of nowhere, or making an effort to do things for you, these are all strong signs that she's emotionally involved and has you on her mind. Now that you know the signs, take the moment to appreciate them. If you're interested in her, don't wait to reply and move things forward. Relationship building is all about shared knowledge and work, so be sure to care for the connection and watch where it goes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button for more videos on relationships, attraction, and all that follows. Tell me in the comments, have you ever seen any of these signs? How did you act? I'd like to listen to your views. If this video helped you understand the signs, please support us by subscribing, liking, and sharing it with your friends.